Wow, so many small cap coin will be listed on Coinbase. So many small cap coin. Coinbase wants to list many small cap coin. This is one thing they want to do very soon. And we also believe that Terra Classic will be among, because if you ask me, of course they are qualified to be there after they were there before. So Coinbase, for now, Binance did something like this that was about late last year or early this year, where we saw massive listing by Binance. So many small cap coins was listed on Binance, and of course Coinbase also want to increase the number of coins they have on their platform. So, and definitely they'll be listing so many coins, and I definitely hope that Terra Classic have to be one of these coins that Coinbase are planning to list. And if Coinbase lists these coins and then Terra Classic among, then it's going to be a good news for Terra Classic LUNC. And I also hope that the USDT, the Terra Classic stablecoin, will also benefit from all this, because we are hoping also for that stablecoin to reach $1. But I'm happy that Coinbase, with mega listening, planning for a massive listening by listing so many small cap coins, I hope this will also improve other coins. So I also hope that Terra Classic, Shiba Doge, Tectonic token, these coins can really get listed on Coinbase. And if that happens, then definitely in a short period of time we will be celebrating. Okay, those who have Shiba Doge coin, Shiba Doge holders will be celebrating, because there is going to be an improvement on Shiba Doge. There's going to be an improvement on Terra Classic. There's going to be an improvement on Tectonic token. So I'm hoping these three coins definitely will be among the coins Coinbase are planning to list. Since they are planning to list so many small cap coins. But for now, let's focus on Terra Classic. Terra Classic will benefit so much from this listening. Okay, in the area of burning, in the area of market cap, in the area of trading volume, Terra Classic will benefit a lot. And already they have some community on Coinbase, because it was there before, and I believe so many of them want to buy Terra Classic back once again, believing that this time around they are buying it at a very cheaper price, and they'll be waiting to see that the coin rises in price and of course pumps. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.